I'm Morgan Polizzola,
And I'm Maddie Williams.
and we're trying weird food. We are rating 1 to 10, 1 the worst, and 10 the best.
On all of the foods.
Smell like pecans and tasted like a deformed pie. I give them a 2.5.
They smelled like sugar cookies and they tasted like sugar cookies. I rate them a 7.
The next food / drink we'll be trying is this natural aloe drink. And you can see the chunks just floating everywhere. There we go. How do you like the weird stuff? Ugh. Oh no. Okay. That's like a really weird taste. Okay, so this smells like fruit punch and it tastes kind of like kiwi soaked in water. I'll give it a 4.5.
It smelled like sugar cookies.
And I guess it tasted like sugar cookies.
Yeah, it tasted like oatmeal.
Oatmeal?
With chunks in it. Yes, it did. It tasted like oatmeal with chunks in it. And I rated a 7.
Okay, so the next food we are tasting is barbecue pig skin.
I got some.
Oh my god. Okay, so the pig skins smelled like a dead rat and it tasted like a dead rat, and I give it a 0.
It smelled like a monkey and it tasted like a dead fish. I give it a 1.
A 1?
A 0.
So the next food we are trying is a spicy Thai chili.
Ooh, it actually sounds good.
Tuna. So.
Okay, you eating this one.
You're trying this? What? Look at that. Oh my god. Just put a little on your finger.
It has hair on it.
That's tuna. Okay.
Oh,
It actually doesn't smell
I
bad.
hate fish.
It smells like it's not. It is.
It is?
Okay, just. It smells like beans. Like
It smells like cat tuna. Spicy.
Ugh. What's wrong with that? So, the spicy tuna, it smelled like beans. It smelled actually pretty good, but it tastes like cat food. I'm gonna rate it a fail, because it can't even go on the number line.
It smelled like catfish and it tasted like fish. And I give it a 0.
Okay, so pretty much we have 2 winners and 2 fails. And so, could you guess what the 2 winners are and the 2 fails are?
Wow.
Yep, so those are failures. They taste horrible, they smell really bad, and they just, like, she can't even hold that near her face. And these actually smell okay, they smell decent, and they tasted better than those did. So do not buy the barbecue pig skins or seasoned tuna. So pretty much what we're trying to say is be adventurous, try new foods, and yeah.
Stay in school!